This 2018 Forest River Gray Wolf Limited 29 TE is priced to sell and ready to go home with one lucky family. As we round the front and we see the awning and the outdoor speakers, it is ready for outdoor fun. It is also ready for a family that's wanting bunks for 4, as well as seating for many, an entertainment area, a nice full kitchen, comfy chairs, a bathroom with a door directly outside for our Wisconsin summers so that you don't bring the mud in, a nice private bedroom for the parents. Not only do you not drag the mud in this bathroom, but you don't bring the mosquitoes into the whole darn place. To me, that's a win-win. If you're interested in this or any of our fun campers, give me a call. Information linked below.